This video is going to look at section 1.1, number 5. So it says, for the function f graphed in the accompanying figure, find the limit as x approaches -2 from the negative direction of f of x. So here's y is f of x. And what we want to look at is what happens as we approach -2 from the left. That's what this little minus thing here means. So as we approach this, that means what are the values getting closer and closer and closer to? Well, they're getting closer and closer to the point 0, right? -2, 0. Even though the function is not defined at 0, it's defined within a very, very small neighborhood. So what they mean intuitively is that the limit may not itself be defined, but, the value may not be defined, but the limit is still defined. So you can get as close as you want, and it looks as though the numbers are going to continually approach 0. So this first answer is 0. Now we're going to look at the limit as x approaches -2 from the positive direction. So now I'm coming in this way, and once again you can imagine putting in points and noticing that the y values are getting closer and closer and closer to 0. So this answer is also 0. So C is saying, well, okay, what is the limit in general as x approaches -2? And we looked in class at this statement here that says that a two-sided limit exists if and only if both of the one-sided limit exist and they have the same value. So this value is 0 from the left-hand side, this value is 0 from the right-hand side, and therefore the two-sided limit does exist, and it is 0. Now, the other thing that this conceptual question wanted to point out is that the value of the function at -2 is not 0. It's actually not defined at -2, but it's up here, and for just this particular number, it's off of the absolute value graph here, and its value is 3. So f of -2 is actually 3. So I hope this helps.